Wrap it up, fuzzball.
Open your eyes, what can you see around? Wind of the open sky, over the siren sound. This is a dream, getting the royal scar, holding a diamond blade, throwing it far. Holding your breath still, you jump the fire. We'll just sit and wait till can you fly? You got it, then try to tell me you got the wrong guy. Got the wrong. Got the wrong guy. Then try to tell me you got the wrong guy.
Hey, good evening, y'all. Midlife Arcade, welcome. Iron Fox, good evening. My name is George. The show is Don't Panic Flip. We're gonna be weird again tonight, and we're gonna keep trying to make some progress on this little side quest we're on right now. To play around with some Gen AI, and we're connected up to ChatGPT and ModelsLab. I'm gonna walk through a little bit about what the design is here. So if we head on over to Miro, to kind of catch everybody up, we got this one here done last night, which is querying ChatGPT. I think we're on the like low cost ChatGPT 4 version, so we're able to get back that OBS title. And here's what's fun is we can come here. Come on. Nope, not that one. This one? Nope, not that one. Oh, crap, did I close it? No, I didn't. Here it is. Swagger. We can say something like, I wanted to generate a title for a battle between two people. So let's go with, I don't know. What did we do? It was Guy Fawkes and Leonard Nimoy. I know how to spell that now. Last night, we go ahead and hit that execute button. Look at that. Shadows of Rebellion, the final duel of Fox and Spock, which I thought was pretty cool. Hollywood, welcome. How was your night? What did you and Fox have for supper? Excellent question. What did I have for dinner tonight? Oh, I had Five Guys. Yep. So I got done with work at 5, went to go pick up the kiddo, went and got Five Guys, made it back, watched some cartoons for a bit. I think I stopped. I think I went back to work at 6:37. Got done at about 9. Put my kid to bed, and prepping for a hackathon we're hosting for tomorrow. I was really hoping to actually have things done days ago. It's just been some of that, one of those weeks, and by weeks I mean it's probably been a crazy month. But things will slow down in the very near future. I'm excited for that. So, Hollywood, the short answer to your question was a burger and fries, and it was fantastic. Hollywood asking, oh wait, hold on, wait. Iron Fox had leftover pasta from last night and added salad and crackers this time. Actually, sounds amazing. I could use some more salads right now. What cartoons are you watching lately? I'm watching, we're finishing up Owl House right now. So this would be a second rewatch, I think, on Owl House. And watching it with the kiddo, which is interesting because there are lots of times I think I would like to continue watching it solo because still waiting for other content, but also trying to be good about not spending too much time doom scrolling and watching shows. Now, like that is it's becoming a more common phrase. I love the fact that it's called doom scrolling because it just makes it sound really, really bad. Because suddenly hours are gone and you realize all you did was maybe chuckle to yourself a little bit looking at all of these videos. So it gotta keep telling myself not to do that, because instead I could be working on this and that's so much more fun. Right? Or playing pinball. Depending on how much progress we make tonight, we'll see. Dom, welcome. Another government rant stream tonight? No, Dom. No rant. Everything's all honky-dory here. We're all fine. I was just catching everyone up, though. So we made it the other night. Last night, we made it through the generating a title. So our goal here, I'm going to highlight this one in orange. Our goal here is to try and generate, have the name or the title said by using the voice cloning tech that ModelsLab has. And I was just checking it out here. So ModelsLab has a text-to-audio feature. We have the URL right here. We have the attributes. So what is the API key? What is the prompt that we want to give it? It doesn't look like it has a max, which is really interesting. I think we're going to have to test that. And that I can give it a voice ID. I'm not going to pass it initial audio. It will default to English, so we can avoid this. Emotion is going to be really interesting here. Neutral, happy, sad, angry, or dull. So we're going to have to play around with the emotions and see what that does. I do not want the input sound clip in base 64. Temp, whether you want temporary links, useful if your country blocks access. URL to receive a post API call once the audio generation is complete, and then ID returned in the response for the webhook API call used to identify the webhook request. So I imagine if you send it a webhook, you probably get an instantaneous response, and then it will eventually, once it's done processing, call back to the address you give it in the webhook. But we're not going to do that. Instead, we're just going to be saucy, and we'll plan on, we're going to fix it in post. We're going to do it all manually and just orchestrate it like a line to everything. In fact, just like this. So we got the two things. What are the two things? We're going to pass it, and we're going to say, give us a name. And then we're going to say, here is the link to the MP3 file it's going to create. I was going to say last night, I hate it when my job makes me program software that doesn't recognize tacos as a 10 of 10. So we're going to have some fun with that tonight, Dom. I think one of our new bad guys, let's do this. Let's go back to Swagger. Let's create a combatant. We're going to call this one a spicy taco. And let's see how the spicy taco does. up against who? What? What do we think could fight against a spicy taco? I am really interested to see what Gen AI comes up with here. The number 10. Hey, there we go. It's a taco, and it has red peppers on it. Obviously, wait, is that a hard shell inside of a soft shell? All right, we're cool. Ghost Flipper, welcome. Pepto? Yeah, there you go. We're gonna do a spicy taco versus Pepto Bismol. Done. Let's do that. Let's see what happens. Battle title, we're going spicy taco versus Pepto Bismol. Oh, a spicy taco versus Taco Bell. Clash of the Titans, spicy taco versus Pepto Bismol, a culinary showdown. Okay, so first and foremost, we need to come in here. So we're gonna maybe. Oh, that's right. I've got music. Hold on. We need good music. Right. So we're gonna throw on some music here. It's just on in the background. And we're actually gonna do some stuff now. And we did very little actual programming last night. And once you get into it, it's actually really hard to keep your eye on chat. FYI. Balancing development with actually writing code, like you have to stop yourself from getting into it. All right, first thing we need to go in, and it's chatbot. Chatbot is being called by the create battle title. Let's go to this battle title view model, and we also need the public string. This is going to be title. This will just be audio URL. Cool. Oh, somebody just Surreal just subbed for 36 months. Surreal. My hat's off to you. I think that notification is for Evergo. Is this work? It is working. Yeah. Subs are working. So we're doing something here. Surreal. We're gonna do the thing. So it's a lot of people being jacked up on Mountain Dew right now. So we're over. Nope. That was the spicy taco. Here we are. We've already contacted ModelsLab 1. So now we have an updated URL. We have what the attributes are for calling this API. Hey, Dance Panda. And we're set. Now we have an audio URL here. We know how to call it. I love that it gives us JavaScript, PHP, Node, Python, Java. Where the hell is C#? That was you. So you can have more than one intro sound, and then it will randomly choose between the grouping of possible audio sounds. Third Leg Jim, welcome to the stream. So we're going here. We have text to image. We're going to create a new ModelsLab class, and we're going to call this one text to audio. I just clicked on that. And we're going to come in here, and we're just going to kind of copy everything because it's the same stuff. I just want the ability to do it separately. Now, Surreal, if you get like an itch to jump on, if you need to say something, you let me know. I got Discord open. Just pull you right in. I'm lost. Can we start over? Yes. Third Leg Gym. Boom. This is what we worked on last night or 2 days ago. We got these done. Then we got ChatGPT's Name the Battle done last night. This is one of the 2 services that we're trying to hit. We're either hitting ModelsLab or ChatGPT version 4. And now, this is George for I like and miss you, Surreal. Yes. Wait, I did that. And then now we're accessing the voice cloning tech in ModelsLab. So we're gonna create a static service that goes and does that. And we're gonna do that by just copying all the cool stuff I did in one and putting it into the other and updating a few things. So we don't need this API key here, right? We're just gonna take this. And we're gonna put you in here because it is run. Now it's gonna be string text prompt, string, it's gonna be narrator ID is the second one we're gonna add in here. Can you do Morgan Freeman on Helium? I can do Happy Morgan Freeman. Right, and I think I can do, this is a null, and if it's null, I can set it, I think, in line now in the newest version of C#. So I think I can set this to, I think it's just Morgan Freeman. We're gonna come over here. Nope, not that one. It is, it's Morgan_Freeman. So there we go. I'm happy to jump on in a bit. I've been parenting for the last 3 hours, so I need to do a few Trackmania maps first. Dude, you do you. On top of that, Surreal, I downloaded 2 games. One of them, I'm actually super excited to give a try. I read some good things about it. It's a game called Nova Drift. By the way, this is my, most of this is just shameful at this point because I don't play most of it. But I have a lot of games. Hey, Surreal is streaking. Can you do Dance Panda on alcohol? Third Lake Gym. That's happened many times. Thank you. What do we have? So I picked up 2 new games beforehand. Also, the idea, I think I might try and talk Kyle into playing this one with me, but I love AK Axolotl. It's fantastic. And now they have a co-op version of it. I don't know if you can co-op remotely though. Support, guides, discussions, yeah. You said the name. Was it Kyle? It does. Oh my god. AK Axolotl looks great, but Nova, where's Nova? Nova Drift. I would love it if there was a trailer available here. Like, I don't want to play the game. Oh, there we go. I can go to the store page. So I really do like shmups. And this is a shmup with like a level up, I think, capability to it. And my news algorithm on my phone basically has started identifying games that it thinks I'll like and then sending me reviews of those games. I didn't ask it to do that. It just knows the kind of content I'm looking for online. And it's like, I think George is looking for new games to play. So it started doing that. So when you say that you need some Trackmania tracks, I got it. If only I had more access to games. I completely get that. He's saying his name is a no-no. He's the Voldemort of Twitch. Wait, my brother is the Voldemort? Dude, I just got Arrow. I didn't realize there's a sequel coming out. Is it coming out on the Switch first? Or is it coming out... Hold on. Hold your horses here. We're gonna go... Store, search. Arrow 2, look at that. We're gonna... Yeah, this has been a really fun game. I'm like maybe an hour. Okay, so it's going to Xbox first. Cool. This is a super fun game. It doesn't look any different though. This looks like, oh, other than it's 2-player. Interesting. Mad Fellows Rhythm. Oh, because you like Res. Yes, I do think that Res... Note the multiplayer aspect. Got it. So is it multiplayer remote? Or is it like physical on the same box? Because, man, that would be fun. It's not helpful. Not sure. Hey, Zombie Fishers. So we're going to do this really quick. We just copied over everything. We're in text to audio. So I'm going to hit save, narrator ID, and if you don't pass one in, you get Morgan Freeman. We're going to go Zvaz the Twitch. Yeah. There it is. We're going here. We're going to grab this URL. Hey, somebody just third leg gym, increasing our levels. FYI, while we're on the screen, I haven't adapted this screen yet for the leveling system. So if I go to someplace like here, you get to see how things change, but we're not there. We're on this screen, which doesn't have it. So I'm gonna come in here and I'm gonna go there. We have that. That is a lot of enters afterwards. There we go. Content type JSON. We've got the key in there. Don't use my key, internet. All right, so now we're gonna open this back up and we're gonna go down. What do we have? Key, prompt, voice ID. Hey, Zombie Fishers dropping 100 bits. Zombie. My actual. Hats off to you. Thank you. A powerful enemy is here. Oh shit, he's here. Third leg Jim. That's awesome. So there was a bug on my ear. That's disgusting. What are we, in a garage or something? Iron Fox, how the heck is your night? What's going on in your world? Tell me, give us one cool thing happening in your world right now. Narrator ID, we're gonna come back over here. What do we need? Emotion. That's really interesting on the emotion. Oh, Iron Fox is watching an awesome stream. Okay. Thanks. If George gets 1,000 bits, he'll stream with no shirt. No, that's Zombie Fishers. Everyone knows that is not the case. Can you ask Chat GPT to narrate a story about you and Kyle fighting as super? I don't know what that word is. Seance? I don't know. But they don't know who Kyle is, I imagine, at this point. I've checked. Chat GPT knows me. Okay, it's Dragon Ball Z. Got it. What does it default? Defaults to neutral. Got it. So we're gonna do nothing. We're just gonna do that. I mean, what's pretty cool is this should just work. Oh, that's right. And we're gonna see what the response looks like. There's the request. Response has links. Response text to image. Okay, so we're gonna do this. We have response text to image. I'm gonna do another one, and we're gonna call this one class response text to audio. Right? And then we copy that, and here's the fun part, guys. We're gonna go here, and we're gonna go to Chat GPT and say, create, I'm gonna say please. I don't know why, I like saying please. Cyans. or as heroes in the Marvel universe, or wizards, shirtless wizards. There's Zombie Fishers increasing the stream level. Thank you. Kyle Slytherin versus George's Hufflepuff. Dude, obviously I'm Ravenclaw. I don't have a problem with Hufflepuff, mind you, but I would be Slytherin or Ravenclaw. Interesting question of the night. What is your Harry Potter house? That's a fun one. Or what do you think your Harry Potter house is? Please create me a C# class for the following JSON. Zombie Fishers fancies themselves as a Ravenclaw as well. Surreal 7 is a is a waffle. Awesome. We got a beautiful class it just gave us. Look how easy that was. God, that is so freaking cool. Okay. And what did we... This was a API response. So I'm going to call this API response. Right? And then we come here and we say, make it a response text to audio API response with the content. Why is this broken all of a sudden? Oh, it's not output. It's links. Yeah, there we go. Awesome. So now we gotta stop this. I have a feeling we're done. Obi-Wan, welcome. Obi-Wan is a Jedi. Third Leg Jim is a Gryffindor, because I'm the main character. You have main character energy, obviously. I feel like I'm being attacked by bugs right now. Not software bugs. I realize that we're actually... There's some software stuff going on. That was not at all where I was going with that. I just need to make this bigger. That... There. Great. Delete you. Now we're going to say, go ahead and rebuild Docker. Oh, you know what? I didn't actually tie this to anything yet. Let's close that out. We're done. Never been camping? You get used to the bugs. I'm in Colorado. We have less bugs than you'd imagine in Colorado because it's a dry heat. Okay, this is done. So now we go back up to create battle title. And this is stupid now. So now we need title request. Ah, interesting. And then we have a string question mark. This would be narrator ID. So we could potentially submit a narrator. Ah! Colorado, that's a new one. Yeah, Obi-Wan, I do love that about that. I don't know, George, am I a Slytherin or a Ravenclaw? I think you're a Ravenclaw. Because it's what you value more than anything else. See, title request. And then we've got, so I've got to switch this up. This has to be var title equals, we're going to do this. Right, and then we're going to do var audio link equals services. Nope, come on. Services dot ModelsLab dot text to audio dot run, and then we pass in the text prompt, which would be the title. Interesting. And then we have the narrator ID, and we're actually just going to leave that null for right now. Oh, no, you know what? We're going to pass in the narrator ID from here. Awesome. Yeah, so we're going to do that, and then we return title and audio URL equals audio link. Boom. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. But we have to do a dot result. Let's see here. John's a Gryffindor. Nope, too bad. You've already labeled me Voldemort. Okay, just catching up. So now it's connected, and we're good there, but now we have to go to the controller, so we're back to battle title, and the request object here. Go to definition. There's also going to be a public string narrator ID. Done. And number 3 is narrator ID. But it's the request narrator ID. And it would be great if I spelled it correctly. Awesome. All right, now we're ready. It was a joke. Relax. You're on camera. We're gonna have a Stern talking to you next stream. All right, here we go. We're gonna try this and see if it actually works. I know I have to put a lot more protection in here because ModelsLab is a little on the flaky side. So we're gonna try this out and we're just gonna leave it blank. Right, so we're actually gonna get rid of the narrator ID and we're gonna go spicy taco and Pepto Bismol. Execute. Nope. Model Labs did not return a link to the generated image. All right, so now we need to start stepping through and see if we can get back an actual error. So we got to go back to text to audio. We'll set a breakpoint once we get into the... Oh, Mr. Hardluck is a Hufflepuff. I took the test and everything. Third Lake Jim, George, you should do a prank. Ask for $1 and pretend you won 20 grand from a lottery ticket. That doesn't sound fun for anyone, Third Lake Jim. We're gonna go here and here. Text to audio. So I'm gonna return back the error. Let's see if we get any details here. Oh, that's that. ModelsLab. Narrator ID, create battle title, throw if exception. Yeah, we didn't really get anything good there. So we're gonna do it again. Now let's see what happens. Awesome, so here's our REST client. There's text to audio. There's our key, our text prompt and narrator ID. Here's our response. Status is okay. Content error. The language field is required. That is BS, everyone. We saw that, right? Y'all are with me? Check this out. Right here. Ah, crap. We don't have it anymore. Oh, that's because I opened it and... Hold on. We need yet another one of these. I closed the browser, but... ModelsLab, we need API docs, voice, no, not voice to voice, text to audio. This one right here, it says language defaults to English. Whatever, come on. It says it there. Your API is not up to date on documentation, ModelsLab. And this is the kind of stuff you have to go through, Kyle. So this is language equals... English. Save. I gotta come in here and I've learned that for whatever reason I have to keep deleting my Docker container because it doesn't have permission to overwrite it. I'm sure that is a setting somewhere that I just need to figure out. We're gonna hit play again. Nobody's with you, George. By the way, did you grew up eating toaster strudels? No, Kyle ate toaster strudels. I had Pop-Tarts. I don't even I don't even understand. Like, I didn't know that Kyle didn't have Pop-Tarts. We did, actually, I take it back. I do remember when toaster strudels became a thing. I just didn't like them. So we're gonna go with spicy taco versus Pepto-Bismol. Somebody just did something. That was, hey, 86 Pixels Jimmy. Thank you so much for the follow and welcome. Those were amazing, Ban George. All right, so we're gonna try this now. Better. Awesome. So we did get a, I think, successful response. Nope. Oh my God. Either init audio or voice ID is required. I submitted voice ID. Dude. Either init audio or voice ID is required. Oh, you know what? I wonder if it didn't put Morgan Freeman. It's, you know what? We're going to do this. We're going to do Morgan Freeman. There. Because I have a feeling it got set to null. I don't know. I haven't used the new inline null override, so we're just gonna do that. Stop. Kill. Oh my God! What did I just do? There we go. Let's try it again. Oh man, Fruit by the Foot and Gushers. I was all over that. Did someone say taco? I stepped away for a second. Dom Hanks, this is for you. Here we go. Another fun topic for tonight, since we made it through the first question. Where does everyone sit with tacos in terms of how good a taco can actually be? On a scale of 1 to 10, does there exist? I should say it even better. Has anyone ever had a taco that is a 10 on their scale of food? Like, have you ever had, imagine you've had the most decadent, amazing dessert of all time that just, you know, you dream about every once in a while. Do you have a particular taco where you're like, it's not just comfort food, but you literally have never experienced something better than a taco? Because I have my personal opinion is that tacos can never go above maybe a 7 or an 8. Zombie Fishers, out of 10, can only ever be a 6 at best. Hey, CNK, thank you. Spicy taco and Pepto-Bismol. What are we gonna get now? Oh shoot, it's taking its time. It's actually doing it. Holy crap. This is gonna work. Nope. We broke something. What did we break? ModelsLab did not return. Crap, we gotta step through it again. So it worked, but I didn't parse it correctly. I think because it's not called links. I think, hold on. No, it's called links. We're gonna get there. Oh man, this has been settled. 10 of 10, it's science. George is so chill. CNK, thanks. Green ketchup? Tacos rule. A taco has never made me sad. I agree. Like, a taco also has a hard time, in my opinion, being less than a 6. Like, a taco is always good. But, hold on. F10, JSON response. Now, so links went null. But why? So the response was output. Oh, it's in output, I think. Hold on. Okay, I see it. It's in output. I went to the wrong spot. So JSON response. It's not in links. Is it in meta? There's the file name. Proxy links, no. Success. Dude, where? Tell me this does not match. Oh my God, the response content, the JSON doesn't match what's documented on their website. Dude, that is such crap. No, I don't want that. Right, we went to the response, and it was supposed to be here under links, and it's not there. It's under output, so they changed this without... Guys, that's frustrating. So here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna go and we're gonna say copy value. I'm gonna put this into oh crap, where's ChatGPT? We're gonna get there. ChatGPT, help me out. Convert this stringified JSON to a C# class. There it is. All right, it fixed it. It fixed it. We're good. Hey, Iron Fox, have a great night. Oh, wait, catch him. Did you say never below a 6? I see you never experienced the Burger King taco, Ghost Flipper. I maybe haven't had a lot. Science. Wow, I'm sorry. There was a lot of chat happening there. Sunny Delight is nasty. I have had a lot of Sunny Delight. I also have had the vodka Sunny Delight, which isn't bad. Zombie Fishers, have a great night. Oh, Iron Fox was saying night, Zombie Fishers. So Zombie Fishers is the one saying good night. Zombie, have a great night. Thank you. I need to start using this to generate my JSON. I know, Surreal, it's so great. Like, I just fed it a stringified JSON object and it did it for me. That's so... That's the kind of assistance we need. So now I got to go back to text to audio. Hold on. Because it's going to change everything as a result. Text to audio. So we're going to delete these two classes. And then I'm going to come in here and paste this in and call this one API response. Got it. And then we go text to audio and we say this is output. There we go. Now we're going to go through and delete this sucker. Hey, Dorkster, welcome to the stream. Got it right, quickly. George, what's your thoughts on the Alice in Wonderland trailer, and when is your PF coming? I don't, it sounds like November now for my Pulp Fiction. Guys, I got a good feeling about this one. We're gonna give it the old college try here. We're gonna go spicy taco and what was I doing? Pepto-Bismol. Oh, crap. I wanted to get rid of the breakpoints. We're thinking. Awesome. And let's just step through. Hey, look at that. Output has a count. And look at that. Oh, it's a WAV file. I hope you guys are ready for this. All right, we got to stop the music. It's too bad that that Kyle left before he got the opportunity to listen to this.
Fiery showdown. The spicy taco versus Pepto-Bismol death match.
That wasn't the best Morgan Freeman. I'm not gonna lie. So we're gonna keep working on that. Still, it worked. It's Morgan Freeman adjacent. I agree. Sounded like Zach Freeman. Okay, cool. So give me a sec. We need to go. I think I still have that pulled up. We're gonna go back here, text to audio, and it said we can pull up voices over here. Let's just. Where's Morgan here? Hey, Morgan.
It tells me what's right and what's not, when to leave and where to go. It's not Shakespeare.
What's the difference between that
Life
and this,
is like
Morgan?
a box of chocolates. You never know what you're going to get.
That's what we got. Oh, did I use a dash instead of an underscore? I'm guessing that's what I did. No, I used an underscore. That was better. Adjacent a few zip codes away, baby. QDL, what? AI made a mediocre version of something? Yes, it did. It did. And I used the right ID. Hold on. Persona 5 Morgana. Interesting.
Life is like a box of chocolates. You never know what you're going to get.
And then we have...
It does not speak in memorable lines.
Dude, that is...
My inner voice.
That is not at all the voice that we got. All right, who's another narrator that we should be going with? Darth Vader? Nope. Oh my God, David Attenborough. Holy crap.
Life is like a box of chocolates. You never know what you're going to get.
Oh my God. Sir David Attenborough. Oh my God, this is gonna be so awesome. What a good suggestion. You, sir, Surreal, you win. Manu. All right, so now we gotta stop. This is stupid. I gotta delete that. We gotta come in here, redo it. I remember when Surreal was helping me with the API calls to 11 Labs for Pinbot's voice. It's Surreal's just a helpy helperton. Now, I should allow the narrator ID to go all the way through, but we'll get there. So this is going to be Taco Cat versus Burger Dog. I just want it to do it. I keep forgetting I set breakpoints. Norm MacDonald. All right. Going back out. And Feast of Fury, the epic showdown of Taco Cat versus Burger Dog, narrated by Sir David Attenborough.
Feast of Fury, the epic showdown of Taco Cat versus Burger Dog.
Oh, QDL, I didn't even see that you had it there. I see, same time. It wasn't awful.
Feast of Fury, the epic showdown of Taco Cat versus Burger Dog.
All right, since... what did I do wrong here? I wanted to set it, if it's null, to the value of something, and I feel like I did that right. So... Oh, you know what? I know where I have to do it. I have to do it in the model itself. So if we go to I think I have, yeah, view models. There we go. Battle title. This one, get set. Aha! Equals. That does not help. That did not help at all. Where's David Attenborough? That. Sir David Attenborough. Narrator, whatever. Missing dramatic BG. I know. The music is going to be necessary. Request battle title. This is where we're going to set a default. Awesome. That's how you do it. You set it in the model. So now if it doesn't get one, it's going to set it to Sir David Attenborough. It's just fun to say that. It's weird how it ends in a bruh. Combatant 1 and Combatant 2. We're going to delete this guy again. Delete. Oh, wait. And then we got to come back in here. Shoot. Nope. It is battle title. Nope. Business. There we go. Battle title. No, I guess I put it in here. This is just bad pony owning. This should just be, we're going to get rid of that. Narrator ID. Now we should be able to switch that from here. Boom. George, I added your voice to Pinbot's choice of voices, but I can't use it. Hold on. Oh, it's there. Unless you give me permission. Manu, you have permission. That's scary. Missing baby animals struggling for life in the jungle, which is funny, by the way, because you sent me that audio file last night. You sent me that audio file, and I thought you had clipped me initially. Like, it actually did a pretty good job of cloning my voice. Not gonna lie, it wasn't bad. Okay. Battle title, try it out. Here we go. We're gonna go Combatant 1. Let's go with what? Neil deGrasse Tyson. And what was the other one we did? It was Darkwing Duck. And was it Homer Simpson? Was that what somebody said? Let's go with Homer Simpson. And let's see what we get. Okay, we got something.
Cosmic Clash. Neil deGrasse Tyson versus Darkwing Duck. A battle of brains and brawn.
Manu, have a great night. Go do the kid stuff. That was, I feel like a majority of these voices are mediocre at best. That was
Cosmic Clash. Neil deGrasse Tyson versus Darkwing Duck. A battle of brains and brawn.
That was QDL. That was supposed to be Homer Simpson. It was pretty awful. All right. Who else did we have? Pee Wee Herman. No Pee Wee. What about Gilbert Gottfried? No Gottfried. All right. James Earl Jones. James Bivens, LeBron James. All right. The tempo was great. Zach Freeman again. Sounds like some unknown politician. Honestly, I feel a little better knowing that the voices aren't great. But Attenborough was, like, worked. In fact, we're going to come here, and now we're going to remove this, and it should default to Attenborough. if the software works the way I think it works. Oh, wow, it changed the name. And I think it worked.
Cosmic Clash. Neil deGrasse Tyson versus Darkwing Duck. A battle beyond the stars.
I've had better. I feel like we could do better. I don't think Attenborough worked very well. He sounded too young and not British enough. Yeah, there was very little. Oh, I wonder if that's a voice. Because it says English, but can I do British English? Or just, nope. No, not in there. Okay. So it doesn't do accents very well. I still think that that's the best one so far. Please fill out this field. I don't want to. So who do we get up at the top here? Elon Musk, Morgan Freeman, Drake, Steve Jobs, Barack Obama. It's a lot of Elon Musk. Tyler Swift instead of Taylor.
Good morning, everybody. I want to say a few words about the explosions that occurred here in New York City and New Jersey.
Oh my God, that's what it's really. That's what it used to generate that. Tyler Swift is Zach's cousin. All right, so we're gonna throw this one back in, which is narrator ID. And we're going to go Obama and see what happens there. All right. We got ourselves a new wave file.
Cosmic Showdown. Neil deGrasse Tyson versus Darkwing Duck. A battle of science and shadows.
Oh, was that Morgan Freeman again? Did I misspell narrator ID? I don't know. Taylor Swift versus I need another singer. Jude Law. Not that he's a singer. And then we're going to try Tiny Tim. I kind of like Tiny Tim. Taylor Swift versus Tiny Tim. Drake. I kind of like that one, actually. I don't know what Drake sounds like, though. Melody Meets Mayhem, the ultimate showdown of Taylor Swift versus Tiny Tim.
I am Mrs. Nesbit.
Hey, Ogden, welcome to the stream. We're having
Melody
some
Meets
fun here.
Mayhem. The ultimate showdown of Taylor Swift versus Tiny Tim.
It's still very adjacent. Hey, Ogden, I hope you're having a great day. I think it was just Drake, right? Let's do the same thing. Yeah, Obama is not great. I mean, sorry, I don't have a problem with Obama. The voice cloning. How's the nerd stream coming along? It's coming. We're doing stuff. So to kind of catch maybe you and others up with where we're at, we're here, and we just got this one done. So we can mark that as green. So all of this is now done. We are ready to hit the big baddie here. And we have, I think, like, oh, we haven't done video yet. So we have to connect up and have it generate video. And I'm going to give you a heads up. Video's going to be funky. But we've got an hour. I think we might be able to finish the API here tonight. And once we do that, now the fun part of connecting it via StreamerBot. So we need StreamerBot to call my API. My API is doing all the orchestration between different services and returning links. So StreamerBot will then update OBS with everything. And then we've got to figure out how to turn all of the audio and videos into somewhat of a streamlined experience. So we're not out of the woods yet. There's still a lot more to try and figure out. But we'll see. Now I want to know how long of text can I give it to narrate? Where is this? Nope, wrong one. There we go. Oh, that's right. I'm not there yet. I can't give it text. Right now it's automatically generating the text when you call for a battle. Which is interesting. You know, I can attack this right now with kind of like SQL injection. It's not SQL, obviously, but in the same way that SQL injection, you can kind of you can put more into what gets processed. I can do the same thing here because I'm just doing string combinations through this API. So if I wanted to break my own software, which is not available on the internet right now, I could. Is your plan to eventually integrate some of this into your normal pinballs? Yes. Hey, Ogden, absolutely. And Snoop Dogg is an amazing voice. Let's try that. Snoop, shoot, doo. There we go. Let's try Snoop Dogg with 2 G's. Taylor Swift versus Britney Spears. Yeah, and hey, Ogden, let's just set low expectations, okay? Like, I'm not expecting this to start generating novels that are fully published, but we're going to do something fun with it.
Pop icons clash. The ultimate showdown between Taylor Swift and Britney Spears.
It's like it was there initially. And then it doesn't get the timing or the bass. Yeah. that is that Eminem's fourth cousin? I think Eminem was in there as well. So let's try Eminem. Eminem, I think that's right. Let's try this one.
Pop Titans clash. The ultimate showdown of Swift versus Spears.
That definitely did not sound at all like Eminem. Hold on, we gotta come back in here. What is Eminem's? It's just Eminem.
Inducted in already, but there's only a few of us. Secondly, almost died from an overdose in 2007.
Yeah, that sounded nothing like that. All right. Well, we've got David Attenborough, people. Like, that's as evidently as close as we're gonna get, and that is our default. So we can go Britney Spears and versus Taylor Swift. So here's the thing that we need to think of. The first time we do this, what's the very first battle gonna be? What's the most amazing first battle that's going to leave a great taste in everyone's mouth?
Ultimate Showdown. Legends Clash. Taylor Swift versus Britney Spears in a battle for the ages.
It's not David Attenborough, right? Like it for certain. Oh my God, Christopher Walken. Yeah. But at least it's something. Like it is definitely a unique voice. Please tell me Christopher Walken's in here. Christopher W.
Hopefully, you'll never have to experience this yourself, but
All right. Christopher Walken's not bad either. We're going in. Narrator ID. Christopher W. Was that, did I just miss the C? Yes, I did.
With the power of grace.
Jedi McMuffin. If the question is, am I turned on? The answer is, I am now. Says Jedi McMuffin. Jedi, welcome. Jedi, I'm going to walk you through what we're doing here. This is, I don't know if you're familiar at all with why we haven't been playing pinball recently. Casey Kasem.
Queen's Showdown. The ultimate battle of legends.
What?
Queen's Showdown. The ultimate battle of legends.
That wasn't, no. Once again, at least it sounded different. Casey. No. Was it? Yeah, no Casey. So, Jedi, here, check this out. This is what we've been trying to build. In fact, I'm going to take a further step back. What we're trying to do is generate kind of like a movie on the fly. No, so we're not narrating the stream. What we're gonna do is create arena-style battles between fictional or real characters. And we've done some cool stuff here, right? So I'm gonna give you an example, but what we've done is we've built an API, and that API calls out to ChatGPT and ModelsLab to do a whole bunch of different things. And then from StreamerBot, we're gonna call our API to do three basic things. We're going to create images, create a battle title, and then create the battle. And when we create the images, it grabs an image. We'll end up calling it twice, and it generates an image for both. We will call to generate an image for both. So here's an example. I'm going to come in here and try this out, and we're going to say Britney Spears. I'm going to execute this. I mean, I was kidding before, but now I really am turned on. Oh, man, Michael Clark Duncan. The images take a little bit longer. I may end up switching ModelsLab to ChatGPT at some point for the image generation. ChatGPT actually does a better job as well. And on top of that, ModelsLab fails fairly often on creating images. That's not, I didn't break anything. This is like, it wouldn't surprise me if it actually succeeds this time. Yep, here we go. So, this is Combatant 1, Jedi. So we just requested that Britney Spears be Combatant 1. And now we're going to go in and say Britney Spears versus Taylor Swift. So I'm going to come back here, and we would call it a second time. Here we go. There you go. So now you've got an image on a green screen and an image on a green screen, and I'm going to show you what that can look like. And it's easy to just use StreamerBot once it has access to those URLs to just get it to update OBS, right? So I'm going to come here and show you this. So this is really, really easy to do in StreamerBot and automate it. So we're making two independent API calls based on two different names that are passed in to generate image 1 and image 2, right? That's step 1. Step 2 is to say, is to tell ChatGPT to create a title for a battle between these two individuals with a subtitle, and then ask ModelsLab to go through and narrate it with a narrator, right? So we're going to say, just following along here, we're going to go back and we're going to say, hey, you, we want to, not Christopher W. Actually, we're going to go with David Attenborough at this point. Eventually we'll get there. Good. Here's our wave file. And here's the title, right? Pop Titans Clash Ultimate Showdown. So if we go back to... Crap, where'd it go? Oh, there it is. So if we go back here, imagine up at the top, it would be the title with the subtitle. You'd see Taylor Swift versus... and this is an animated background, right? It's not just a static image. Versus Britney Spears. And then it would play this just before. Eventually, once we get the rest of the data, it would give us a countdown.
Titans Clash, the ultimate showdown. Taylor Swift versus Britney Spears.
Awesome. So we just got David Attenborough to narrate. David Attenborough's very cheap second cousin to narrate for us. We spared no expense. The title, right? So now going back to our designs over here, we just finished all of this. So this is all done, and I literally just showed you how the API is set to go. It's doing all those things. Now we have the last one, which is where we ask ChatGPT to narrate a fight between these two people where only one person survives across 8 scenes. Then we have our narrator generate 8 different audio files, one for each of those scenes. Although it depends on how much audio I can have it narrate in one go. I don't know what the limit is. I imagine there is a limit, though. Yes, so it's all a triggered action, and it will be something that will end up just being able to click a button and go, and we wait, right? So we'll switch over to... let's say a scene where you can see me down here, and then while we're here in this animated background, you can see me maybe down at the bottom, and we'll talk about who do we think would win in these battles. In this fictional battle, we could potentially take votes. There's a lot more we could do with it, while my API is going off and grabbing all of this data, right? And then once StreamerBot has all of it, then it updates a whole bunch of different scenes, and then it's all about just timing the switching of scenes in order to simulate the idea of it having some continuity, right? Well, that's the thing, Jedi. When you say you've had time on your hands, we haven't been playing pinball. So we've been doing this instead. We got the title done last night connecting to ChatGPT. We just got connected up to ModelsLab voice cloning software, and we've had some fun with that now. Hey, CNK, we love you. Thank you. Who would win? A person who chews with their mouth open or a person with misophonia? I think I know who wins that one most nights. So yeah, then there's just a lot of orchestration here because this goes into 4 parts. It's generate the 8 scenes, parse that down into something you can request audio to be done for, right? And then in parallel, take those 8 scenes, convert that into something that can be fed to ModelsLab to generate 5-second videos, because that's as much as it can do, is a 5-second video right now. I can't have it do a 30-second video. So it's doing a 5-second video based on a very simple prompt. It's kind of hard to get there. And then, and now you have the longer narration. You have the actual thing that's supposed to happen. You have the shorter, more terse version and simple version of what you want the scenes to be. And then you've got 8 5-second videos that you can kind of hopefully play with the narration over the top. Oh, you played Labyrinth again. Great game. CNK, I'm still on the fence with Labyrinth. I think it is a fantastic first game from Barrels of Fun. The license doesn't do a ton for me, and I haven't really sat down to figure out the game enough. I just know I've been frustrated trying to put up points on it. It did have a credit problem. Right. I'm excited for Barrels of Fun's second game. I'm excited to see what that license is, because they are going after really cool 80s licenses, in my opinion. So that's what we're going for. I think we did good. I think we made some good progress tonight so far. Now we need to query ChatGPT a few times and start playing around with the... we'll probably use regex, and so many people were so on the idea of regex yesterday to parse the responses of the 8 scenes. So, where are we here? Just one more time.
Pop Titans clash. The ultimate showdown, Taylor Swift versus Britney Spears.
I mean, guys, that's not awful. And sure, we pivoted very quickly. Morgan Freeman, not a great cloning audio thing. But it'll get better, or we'll find other services that are equally inexpensive that offer more capability. Can write, call him Chad. I mean, yeah, kind of sounded Chad-like. Okay, cool. So that's where we're at. Now I got to get rid of weather forecast. So let's go back in here. We can close this out. That's going to close that. I'm going to go ahead and kill the automatically generated container. And honestly, at this point, I feel like we just need to close all tabs. Great. Let's go to weather forecast. Let's just delete this entire thing. It doesn't even need to be in there. Just to make sure I didn't break anything, we're going to run it really quick. Oh, Chad GT. Got it. Ooh. Okay, we didn't break anything. We've got our 2 endpoints, combatant, battle, title. So now we are ready. We are ready to begin. Did you already make the fight pick? Yes, Ghost Flipper, we did make the fight pick. You missed the fight pick, sorry. But we'll make more. We'll go through it again. Oh, where is our music? Cool, so next up, we need controllers. We have battle title and battle. So here we are. Let's go ahead and flesh out our battle. Let's go ahead and build out our logging utility. Loving this playlist. Can we not talk about Fight Club? Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Somebody already has Fight Club AI. We don't do dashes. It was a really good thought, though, CNK. I like that. If you want to help out, it'd be really cool if you could help me come up with a cool name for this, because Arena, right? Like Arena AI or Arena AI, that's already taken. There is no arena.com. Arena.ai is already taken. Fight Club was pretty cool. Fight Club the pin. Fight Club. Ooh, Deathmatch AI. God bless America. Somebody already took Deathmatch AI. This kind of reminds me of that scene in Jurassic Park. You were so worried about whether or not you could. You never stopped to think if you should. This is... We'll see, Jedi. Celebrity deathmatch AI. It's not awful. I couldn't think of anything that wasn't a already taken AI sign out. I like it. AI versus the world rather. God, don't let Manu hear me say verse instead of verses. Deathmatch was pretty damn good. Oh, wow. If I can get the, that's not bad. Death matches. Thunderdome. Thunderdome isn't bad. Oh my God, somebody has Thunderdome AI? That's ridiculous. We AI Dance Panda. What is that? I think it has to be over 3 characters. Or not. We www.ai? No. Blitz fight. I don't like the word blitz. But maybe there's something we could do with fight. Death fight. Ooh, wait a second. What about... Nope, okay, MDK is taken, but... Oh, www.deathmatch.ai. That's not... That's cool. Artificial... Wintelligence? Or with intelligence? Killroom.ai. Hey, that's available. That feels very death metal, though, right? Like, if you were to call it Welcome to the Kill Room, you have to have just such a bubbly personality. Hi, welcome to the Kill Room. My name is George. I'm going to be your host today. Fate Club? What list are you about to put yourself on, right? Kill Room's not bad. Deathmatch is better. What is... Surreal, what is Fate Club? It's available, but I don't understand the fate. Like Fight Club with AI. Got it. Like that. But it kind of looks like Fat Club. I'm not like it just, for whatever reason, the eye is very hard to see. So I almost read it thinking you were telling me to type that in. I'm like, wait a second, I don't think that's what that says. Fate Club. Fine. That's 4,500 minimum. Could be Death Match. No. I can't believe Death Match. Death Matchy. Does that do it? All right, we're totally distracted. It's not a thing. Wait a second. What were we doing? I completely forgot what we were doing here. We have a battle that we need to return. We have a request. Request battle. What was that? Matchy.ai. Arena impossible. It's, you know what? We're gonna keep working it. We're gonna keep working it. Bat GPT. Oh, Battle GPT. Huh. That's not bad. Hold on. It's $1,000 right there. Surreal, you picked a good one. ZachFreeman.ai. Wow, let's try that again. Deathmatch. Whoa! Deathmatch.ch. Wait, why did it say that this was available a minute ago, but now it's not? It's gone. It was there for a second, now it's gone. That would have been so cool. Deaths match. So Arena AI is not available, Dance Panda. Battle Grid. It's not an awful name. We'd have to rebuild it around the grid because you're doing this on I know, right? Like we just got sniped on Deathmatch with a CH. Battle Hub. That it feels cybernetic-clash.ai. Dance Panda. That's cool. How about just clash.ai? Oh, it's available. It's just a couple of pennies more than the standard $54.99 though. Battle Hub. It feels like, yeah, it's there. It's the Battle Hub. That's not bad. Seriously, Ghost Flipper. It definitely, like, the logo would have to look like Pornhub though, right? Algorithm Assault. Now I feel Battletron. I kind of like Battletron, of course, yeah, but Algorithm Assault sounds like somebody on a computer is making your life awful, Dance Panda. God, Deathmatch is so great. But they are. Hold on, Deathmatch. What are we getting besides Deathmatch? Deathmatch Me is not bad. Deathmatch.io is not awful. Deathmat.com, not awful. EO end of the line.io. Trick or Trick, Slaps Giving, Battle Matrix. Oh wait, that is, never mind. Deathmatch Utopia. That's actually pretty awesome. Surreal, that's not bad. Deathmatch Utopia is unavailable. Oh. Utopi? A versus I versus dot I. Yeah, there's a lot going on there. Hold on. What are some similar phrases to deathmatch? Battle Royale. Last man standing. Oh, that's right. I had a thought. Battle Clash. Battle Bot better not be available. But what do you guys think of To the Death? AI sucks. We all know that, right? Because it's a battle to the death, or to the death. To the pain, exactly, right? To the pain. I mean, to the pain.ai, that's funny. Land War in Asia, Pain Matrix. To the pain, but it has AI in it. I get what you did there, Surreal. It's the text on this isn't great. AI.ai. It's already taken. Battle of the Bones. That's not bad. That's gonna be cheap, says Side Out. God, To the Pain. .com is taken. To the Pain AI is available. Electron Battle. Oh, sorry. I gotta go back here to ChatGPT. What else do we get? Fight to the Finish, Skirmish, Free for All. Maybe there's a Royale thing. What about Grudge Match AI? Oh, crap. I feel like that has a different Robert Paulson.ai. In death, we do have a name. Grudge Match sounds like it's a Grudge Fights. Center Ring.ai. Okay, I got a couple more I want to try now. Good luck finding a better name for you for your own .ai. What about Death Royale? How about just Battle Royale.ai? Nope, obviously taken. Improba Battle. I like it. That's not bad. Center Ring isn't bad as well. Those are like it's gotta do that thing, right? Like it I hear it and I gotta get excited about it. We had some really good ones though. Battle Hub is a really good one. BattleHub.ai. Date Match. I'm just going back up and looking at some of these. Brutal Battle. So, oh, Deathmatch DETH. Oh, what about that? Now with the 3, that's even harder. Waka Waka. Round 1. That's not bad. I don't know that I like Deathmatch spelled DETH. Although you could do Deadmatch. No, that just sounds like you have dead people. Okay. Pounders? Gonna be expensive. Oh yeah, sign out. It gets expensive really quick if you have all those rounds. All right. Morge. Was that supposed to be morgue? Sentient assault, Dance Pandas. those are some pretty cool names you're coming up with here. Yeah, okay. So morgue.org. I kind of like that. That's awesome. Morgue.org. Rhyming, of course, is always fun. Okay, so here we're gonna go create battle. Fantastic matchups. You could do fantastical matchups or fantasy matchups. God, deathmatch is it though, man. Like that is what this is. It's deathmatch. Deathmatch isn't awful. Like I kind of like deathmatch, but morgue.org is even available. We need Death Mock. No, it'd be Deathmatch. So we know that's not available. I just want to see what it recommends. I mean, deathmatch.io isn't bad. It's still $50. The Deathmatch. Deathmat. Pretty close. Deathmate. Deadmatch. Deathmatching. Deathmatch.xyz. Deathmatch.edu. Yeah, I like that. Fantasy Deathmatch. Saved by the Bell M.ai. Saved by the Bell MAI. Oh, LLM. Got it. What's a large language model? I like it. Saved by the Bell LM. Saved by the Bell LM. Oh, whoa. Nope. Obviously not that. No. All right. Don't panic. Deathmatch, too self-serving. It's just not easy. Like you can't. Oh yeah, you want it something simple, right? That also isn't going to be misspelled. Like, my friend has a Blue Phoenix, is the name of her massage place, and I feel like Phoenix must be one of the most misspelled words out there. Tyson versus Taylor.ai. Dentist Dream Match. Digit Death Match. Dentist Dream Match.ai. That sounds like a dating site for dentists. Golden Wiener, named after my dog. We'll come back. All right, battle. So we got to come in here. View models battles. We're gonna go class. And the first thing we need is only interesting. Only deathmatch. Kind of sounds like OnlyFans. Thank you, Spud Killer. The Machine of Ghosts. Deathmatch only. Dentist Dream is great. Only pants? Only lights? Only feet? You don't have to be lonely at Deathmatch only. Ghost Flipper. It sells itself right there. You know, instead of the ghost in the machine, you could have Dance Panda. Artificial Smackdown. Smackdown.ai. Taken. Smack Drop. I don't know. Murder, Death, Kill is not bad. All right, who's the first person who can reference where Murder, Death, Kill comes from? What movie, I should say specifically, because there was a video game called MDK. Yeah, Surreal referencing MDK the game. There we go. Sign Out got the movie Demolition Man. Surreal, you came in late, but that's because you were referencing Dance Panda in the middle of typing something else, switching to Demolition Man. Demolition Man. The 3 seashells. But that one's gonna have to go to Sign Out because Surreal was trying to make. I think Surreal, you probably had it, but you were trying to make a reference to a game that actually I think MDK was fairly popular. I know I spent a lot of time on that. 187, yeah. You think MDK was before? All right, hold up. ChatGPT. Which came first? MDK, the video game, or Demolition Man, the movie? Came first, 1993, while the MDK video game came out in 97. Surreal, what do you have to say about that? This just proves that AI is wrong sometimes. Spludgranks, welcome. All right, so Iron Fox with the mic drop there. So what are we doing here? We need to return back for the battle. Public. So we need the scenes, we need the videos, and we need the audio files. That's it. So public list, string, and this is going to be audio URLs. Video URLs. Is that really it? Is that all we're doing? We already have the images. We have the title. We have the battle. At this point, we just need the narration and the videos. Yeah, that's it. I didn't think I knew what sounds went with your emotes. Yeah. Got the horns for that. Oh. Hey, we hit level 4, so if we were on...
I am Mrs. Nesbit.
There you go. If we were here, you would see all this goodness. Hi, I'm over here. But we're not. We're over here. Why does turn down for what key? Oh, I forgot I turned back on turn down for what?
And there was much rejoicing.
It's gonna hit. It's gonna hit. We need more. Let's get AI to rumble. That's pretty good. I think there's maybe, was there one more? I don't want to hang over here too long. All right, we're gonna go back to the PC. Okay, we've got audio URLs and video URLs. That is all we're returning here. This is great. We also need a request for the battle, so we're going to add that class. And what do we need? We need public string combatant 1, public string combatant 2. Yeah. Just go ahead and finish it up for me, why don't you? That's it. Cyber deathmatch. I dislike the. I haven't heard a word going in front of deathmatch that justifies it being three words yet. FYI, and I'm gonna swear, but I'm a picky bitch, and you wouldn't think so, right? Because I'm not picky about a lot of stuff, but when it comes to shirts and when it comes to naming things. Picky bitch, man. Picky bitch AI. Thank you, Spud Killer and Ghost Killer, for that one. Why this is great. Murder and killer high value keywords with an average sale price of $2,894 to $2,000. Wait a second. What about that? I'm not hating that. Let's sit on that one for a little bit, y'all. I'm interested to know if others, what y'all think of Death Lab. Because I think it fits what we're doing, right? Would work on a shirt as well, yeah. Ghost Flipper, Death Lab sounds good. Ooh, Killcade, though. Ghost Flipper. Sorry, I didn't see that one. Hold on. All right, we got to start writing some of these good ones down here. Hold on. We're going to go here. Name. What do we got? We got murder, death, kill. Actually really like Killcade. Death Lab. Man, Killcade is really... You should make AI choose. Killcade is really... like, it rolls off the tongue nicely. Murder, death, kill. We also had some others earlier. Knock Socks, I like that one. Deathmatch only. There was Tyler versus Taylor. Hold on, we got to go back up. This has been fun. Celebrity AI Deathmatch. I just like the name Battle Grid, although I don't... Oh, it was Battle Hub. I'm going to put Battle Hub back in here. I also like the idea of deathmatch with just an E instead of EA, but it's going to get misspelled. Okay. I like it. I like it. Let's just let those sit. They can sit and gestate. Is that the right word? we doing that? Oh, wow. We are so close to midnight here at this point. Okay, so we've got the request and response. If we go back to battle. Oh, I didn't actually build the response. Oh. Here we go. True to software development, we've spent the last 45 minutes coming up with a name for something we haven't written yet. Yep. Exactly how that works. Awesome. And we don't have narrator on this one. Oh, we do have narrator. Darn it. Gotta go to definition, right? Narrator ID. Awesome. Combatant 1, Combatant 2. And now we gotta come up in here to create battle. Let's just, for now, copy everything over to get it going. Awesome. And we also want to go back here. Why doesn't it like this? Oh, because that doesn't return back a battle. Got it. Death portal fights equals DPF. Don't panic flip. Spud killer. I like that. The little bit of symmetry there. DPF. Death panic fights. Yeah. Yeah. Hold on. So going back over. I don't think it makes the short list yet. So Battle Hub would obviously look like a Pornhub. If I go here, design logos. Can you create a logo for a website called, wait, what was it? Battle Hub that looks like the Pornhub logo. And George gets banned. I'm just gonna go ahead and take that image really quick because that's amazing. I mean, we don't even need that anymore. Yeah, ChatGPT is free. I'm just... That... I just... Tell me that doesn't look amazing right there, right? Like that... That looks amazing. And that took zero effort. That was... And, sorry, just to confirm, if we go back here... BattleHub.ai is totally available. All right. Can you create a logo for a website called Killcade that Killcade that has a video arcade cabinet and some kind of weaponry in it. Okay. I mean, all right, what would Murder Death Kill's logo look like? You create a logo for a website called Death Lab that has science equipment covered in blood. Yeah, I don't know why there was buttons on the marquee. Okay, I kind of like that. I don't know how to get the full image there. That's not awful, but it doesn't say kill kit, or it doesn't say Death Lab. Covered in blood. Can you add the title Death Lab to the image above? Whoa! What? Yeah, what just happened? What was that? Oh no, don't undo that. Yeah, that went from 0 to amazing very quickly. Battle Hub is so simple and amazing. Like, I dig that. That is just a great logo right there. Sorry, what was the last one? It was Murder, Death, Kill. And can you create a Twitch friendly logo for a website called Murder, Death, Kill? I like that Split Grinks. I do want a unicorn. Can we say that in the lore that Death Lab is run by Walter Fight? I don't. Murder, Death, Death, Kill. You know, putting Twitch in there, I think, kind of ruins it. So, you create a logo for a website called Murder, Death, Kill. And then we'll ask it if maybe it can add, if it can add a unicorn. I mean, Jesus, that is so cool. Can you add a unicorn to that image? MDK Ultra with unicorns centered. What is that? Death made me twitch. Sign out. That's not bad. Oh, that's Murdeer. Change the logo text to say murder, death, kill. Murdeer. Murder. Murdeer with a deer and hunting gear would be funny. All right, y'all. Where are we leaning right now with Killcade, Murder, Death, Kill, Death Lab, and Battle Hub? Can we use all of them? I gotta say, I think the best logo is Death Lab. I love the simplicity of Battle Hub, and I would want to play around with the Killcade a bit more. I'm just happy to have 2 on the board. Ghost Flipper, you got 2, huh? God. Dance Panda, are you still on? Which one do you like? If you trust autocorrect too much, you are going straight to hill. Oh, poll started. Okay, thank you. I don't know. Oh, it's not Death Hub, it's Battle Hub, but yeah. I only set it to a minute though. God, Death Lab looks so freaking cool. Killcade is still great though, and it is an arcade, right? Battle Hub. Where are we at? Yeah, Surreal. Oh, thank you for creating it. It's like choosing a favorite child. I can't believe how amazing ChatGPT is. If QDL is still on, I apologize for... I feel like... I felt like I did an okay job yesterday describing my thoughts in a way that hopefully wasn't... I hope nobody took it offensively, but this is too good. And that was way too quick. And that took no effort to generate 4 amazing logos. Okay. The Killcade and MDK have colors that go along with us. Got it. All right, what are we at? Death Lab won at 3. Murder, Death, Kill came in at 2. Killcade at 1 and Death Hub at 1. Or Battle Hub. I almost called it Pornhub. God, Death Lab is amazing. Now, what sucks about that, by the way, is that Death Lab, like, the image is fantastic, right? But did the image, is that really the better name? Hold on. Can you add some blood? Why'd it become Bathbahub? That's not bad though. Like, not the bottom one, but the top one, Battle Hub with the blood back behind it. Can you Give me just the top image. Batlith Hub. 2 Klingons enter. 1 goes to Stovacor. It forgot to actually give me the image. Oh, no. I don't know how to, like, I just want the top image. Whatever. Bath Tea Hub. All right. So we're back over here now. Audio URLs, and then, oh my God, video URLs. So we're gonna go var audio URLs. No, that's not gonna work. Video URLs equals new. Yeah, there we go. Let's just do that. Okay. Now, this is where it gets kind of interesting. We're gonna do a little bit here. So what I need to do first is this is the weird bit of orchestration, right? So we're gonna do create battle 8 scene battle text. Create 8 scene battle text, but terse. Create 8 audio narrations. This honestly should go here. And this one is going to be create 8 video files. Okay. That's it. We just need to do these 4 things and then we're done. So the first thing we need to do is create the request. Var, this is going to be battle text request equals that, and then we're going to do the same thing over here. This is going to be var battle text terse request equals that. I got to go back through and figure out where those are because I spent a good amount of time figuring out how to ask for that. Going to get rid of this. And then the other thing I forgot how to do, and we're going to have to spin up basically threads or the ability to run each of these asynchronously, which I think we can. Like if we go to services, text to audio, this is async. Great. So we basically spin up 8 different versions and we tell them go do it, batch it, and then wait for all 8 to get back. And once we get all 8 back, then we continue processing. But that way we're not doing one, then another, then another, then another. Cool. Y'all, that is it. We are, I think, done for the night. I'm gonna clean up over here. Nope. Not this. Save everything. Let's just make sure. Oh, we probably did break stuff. Maybe? What was it? Battle, business. Create battle. So if I go here, go to definition. Oh, this is supposed to be a battle. Where are we? We're in the create battle. No, did I? Did you hate that? Did all of that in the wrong file. So great. What did I just break? There's the title and the audio link. There we go. Okay, so that's fixed. Create battle. There we go. Now we come in here and we say, I just got to redo this part. So this would be our audio file, our audio URLs equals new list string. Good. Var video URLs equals the same thing. Awesome. Audio. Video, this is going to be audio. Video, great. Then we get rid of those. This is going to be create battle scenes. Create battle narration. Create battle scenes terse. Create battle videos. It's going to be var request. No. Battle request equals, there we go. This one is var battle terse request equals that. Awesome. Now we're caught back up. Waiting for the push play on tape. It'll still compile. It's fine. It's fine. All right. I think we save everything here. So this would be oh, you guys can't see that. Putting this over here. We got, what did we actually do today? I think we maybe landed on Death Lab. We got the battle title narration done. Where did it go? Oh, GitHub. There we go. Battle title audio narration complete. Let's go ahead and just check in our changes, push that up. Done. Done. Done, y'all. Press play on tape. Y'all. Have a fantastic night. Let's see. Is there anyone to go raid? I got nothing. I got somebody I've followed before called Ocean Manor. So that's where we're going. And they look like they're mixing music, but I haven't listened to it yet. Hey, good night, y'all. Are you familiar with the Pinball Network? If you're not, maybe if you just give me a moment to speak directly to you about what the Pinball Network is and what it could mean to you. The Pinball Network is a collection of content creators across multiple media. That's YouTube, that is podcasting, that is Twitch streams. Okay, I'm talking to you. And
And they do it out of the goodness of their beings, out of the goodness of their souls, out of the goodness of pinball, to further pinball as a hobby and the community. That is the reason they do the things they do. They do it they do it for you. So if you're not familiar with the Pinball Network, you should be. I suggest you check out all of those people who are a part of the network. You should give each of them a follow if what you're interested in is soul-enriching pinball-related content.